What's going on, kinfolk? Oh man, I'm making a surprise stop right now. Y'all see where I'm at? I'm out here in Northport. It's a dealership. Checking on a little something from my wife. She looking at trading in her car. What? I'm gonna be right here. She's looking at trading in her car. I'm doing my little due diligence to walk around. Hey, if y'all need something, man, if y'all here in San Antonio, y'all come over here to Northport Volkswagen. They can help y'all out, man. They got all my cars from here. So right now I'm just looking around, see what they got out here. My wife is gonna test drive a car that she liked, she looked at so far. I'm just hoping that we can get a good deal for it. And I'll show y'all the car that she's looking at right now. But right now I just wanna see if they got anything new here, which I doubt they do. Man, if y'all get out here to San Antonio, man, check out this weather here. It's nice. I think this is the car that she was trying to test drive. I have to check it out first, before I go into the showroom. I like the color on it. I like the color. It's nice. Like I said, man, I got all my cars from here, from Volkswagen. I like their product. The product is nice, and I can't complain about it. And I think this is not the one she's looking at right now. I think it is. It says yep, this is the one. I'm not gonna show y'all just yet. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I like the color on this bad, but the color is nice. Just figured out, see if we can make a good deal off of it, and hopefully everything will work. What's going on? How you doing?
How you doing?
All right, you don't mind being on camera? You good? Yeah. Oh, so this is the one we test driving?
Yeah, pulled this one up, filled it up with gas. We got another one on the showroom floor, but this one was outside, so.
You don't mind being on camera, do you?
No,
you good?
No, I'm good.
Okay, all right.
Should be all right.
All right, so yeah, this is the Cross Sport here. This is the Atlas Cross Sport. That's what we're looking at right here. This is a SE V6. And I like this color on this bad boy. It's nice. Yeah. Is this the tech package? Okay. Okay. All right. What's your name? Romero. Tell me where we can find you at over here.
Huh?
Tell me where we can find you at over here. Where y'all located at?
Oh, we're over at off of I-10 and Dominion, Northport Volkswagen.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Yeah, we're gonna look at this. Like the little wood grain, more like a plastic thing, but it's all good.
I have checked out a couple of other ones too. I got checked out the Grand Cherokee.
It's not like the one I got, the Atlas. Mine has the sunroof and everything. I'll show y'all that in my next video. So. Oh, that also has the active foot flip. Oh, so why don't mine have that? I had to take pack and chew. What's going on with that? No, man, y'all don't play me out of this, man. That's messed up, man. That's messed up. Y'all play me out of that. Come on.
Yeah, it should have it. You just get the key, and you can always tell to do it behind the second sensor right here. So like, go forward and back.
See, it has that. I gotta check that out there, cause mine didn't have that. So we gonna check it out. We gonna check it out.
What we got here? Tow hitch cover, tow package. Tow hitch in here. Roadside assistance kit. The cargo blocks. Spare tire and all that. Yep. Put the seats down, have all that room as well. And there's a little compartment back there that I still haven't figured out what to do or what to put back there.
Okay.
Let's see back there.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, we'll check that out. Yeah, I gotta go back home and check mine out now, cause I gotta see if I got that little special feature there with the foot lip. Come on, man, y'all selling me wrong. We supposed to be partners up in here. Come on. Say what? Well, yeah, I see that.
Yeah, so the SCX is going to get the power seats on both sides.
Yeah, it's the only thing I don't like, because it don't have the power seats on this side right here, on the passenger side. But other than that, I like the brand, the Volkswagen brand. I like their look. I also like this color. This color is nice. Hey, what color is this? I'm sorry, what's the color of this?
Pure gray.
Pure gray? Oh, okay, pure gray. Okay, so it's a pure gray. Have to pull it out in the sun, get a decent look at it. But I like it. I like it. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna put in the fleet. We're gonna get rid of the vehicle and then get another one. So this is nice. This is pretty nice right here, what I'm looking at. And I like this. So we're gonna take this for a test ride. And we'll take it for a test ride. We'll get back with y'all and let y'all know how it went. I mean, I might get on the inside, but let my wife pull it on out first. Pull it on out. So I can look at it in the sun. Get a better look for it.
Parking sensors all around.
So you during this show sold us all our cars now. You know that, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I think the only you didn't give me mine, but yeah, I think I missed you that day.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, when I came up here and got that Atlas.
I got you.
Yeah. So we'll check it out. Get out her way so she can. I'm gonna pull it out and look at the color of it. So now you know I'm gonna ask you all these questions, right? Because I know they like to mark up all the black rims and all that stuff on everything.
Well, that's already on the Monroe sticker. That's already Volkswagen's sending them over like that now.
Okay. Because I mean, like lately, because I've been going like different dealerships, they've been like telling me that one guy who's honest with me, they do a lot of markup on all the cars and stuff. Like they put the rims on there. Like, no, we get a markup on it and everything. I'm like, come on, you can't be doing it.
I mean, if they were silver and you want to paint them black, you charge $8.95 for that.
Right.
The only ads that we put on the cars, if they have them on there, the door edge guards for $195, the VIN edge for $95, and the nitrogen tires for $95. I don't think it has it.
No, I think it's all I see. You see the caps on there.
It's got the door edge guards.
So what's the lease price on this one?
The lease.
We get a good walk around on this bad boy here. This is nice. See, I like that color. That color is nice. I'm gonna hop in the back seat back here. Yeah, yeah, buddy.
Grab that for me.
Yep.
I took this out for us.
Yeah, definitely. That's
So yep. We're gonna do this.
Heated seats, dual zone climate control. It's got the digital cockpit display now. Can I take this car real quick?
What's that?
Can I take this car?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead.
No, Ben. Yes.
Yeah, we back. Like I said, we're taking this little bad boy for a nice little joyride.
Do I go right or left?
Yeah, you can take a ride. Now everybody parks over here. They go to the little park.
Yeah, I saw that.
Private park.
I've never been there actually.
Nope, I haven't either, but we'll check it out
Just
when
to walk or
Yeah,
anything?
it's got a lot of trails. Like you pick which trail you want to go, difficulty and stuff, and then you just walk it. So you're walking.
it has enough space in the back here. Somebody
I'm
who's
more of a walker where stores are, you know,
There
like
you
shopping.
go.
walking.
6'9".
Those trails.
Yeah.
My wife likes
I'm
those
sitting
trails.
behind my
Yeah.
wife here, so I got enough space. I like mine better because it has a sunroof on it, panoramic sunroof. But this ain't bad either. I like that. Even though the wood grain right there, it's kind of plastic, but I still like it. I like the way they trimmed it up. But this is nice.
It's got the wireless charger, wireless CarPlay.
It's similar to the Atlas.
Yeah.
I mean, we have the Atlas, we have a Passat.
That's why I told him he basically sold almost all our cars to us.
Nah, he sold us the Tiguan. I don't have that one anymore though. The Tiguan was a headache.
Oh.
It was the older one.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Almost all our cars, because the Tiguan, the Passat, and then he wasn't around when I got the Atlas.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So do I go right or left?
Yeah, you can take a ride. You want to drive it on the highway or?
Yeah, try it. Doesn't seem like it's packed right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's people out at this that little festival in Austin.
Oh, it's
Hello.
all by itself, right?
Yeah. Aston Martin. Oh,
There's some nice cars that come out of there. Too.
yeah, over there. Yeah.
It's a nice day.
So is this just a regular V6?
Yeah, V6. Yeah. Just a regular V6.
Because I know they have some of them with the twin turbo.
I wish. No, we got the 4-cylinder turbo also.
Yeah, that's the one I have. Yeah.
And then we got the V6.
Yeah, 'cause I don't know if it's not with the Volkswagen brand, but I know I've heard that some of the V6s are turbo.
Yeah, like Audis are sisters, or they're nicer cars that are comparable to ours, and they have
Yeah.
V6 supercharged turbo or something.
Yeah. Yeah, but with these gas prices, that's probably the worst thing you can get right now. But some people don't. Yeah, some people don't care. Yep. I think it's time to get an electric car now.
I think that's what it's going for now.
Yep.
That's the reason everything's going up.
Yeah, they're trying to push everybody to get an electric car. But
But to me, there's still too many little glitches. Like, where do you charge it?
Yeah.
But see, that's the thing now. They building a lot more charging stations here in San Antonio.
That might be, but not right now.
No, they do have them. That's what I'm saying. You have to look on the map to find them. But
He wants a Tesla, so he always tries to convince me it's a good idea.
oh, I mean, red shit. I understand the one I want. It ain't gonna happen till my YouTube channel kick off. You know what I'm saying? I get like at least get 1,000 subscribers and some likes. Then I get monetized. Then I'll be good. But hey, right now I'm working it slowly but surely.
Yeah, there's a lot of charging stations. Like I saw a Mustang come by yesterday to our dealership, and they pulled up and charged their car there. We have like 3 at our dealership, and but yeah, they're starting to everywhere.
Yep, so you just gotta look for them. I mean, right now you don't have a Tesla or electric car because you're not looking for the charging stations. You're just looking for.
Yeah, and it tells you here too, like on our electric car ID4, if you're low or if you need to find one, it just
tells you where they at.
It tells you where it's at.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I tested that before too. The only thing weird to me about that one is the brakes. It's like strange.
The regen.
Yeah, that feels a little different. But yeah, I don't know. Like let's say you gotta charge it at home. It takes 8 hours to charge it at home.
Yeah, should I get over here?
Yeah, you can get off here. And hey boss, I forgot to charge my car. I'll be a little late.
Yeah. Told her she gotta make up her mind which one she want. I'm just here for the ride.
Yeah, I was telling him, I'd rather lease a car than buy. And I guess it all comes down to what the best deal will end up being,
No, just go straight. We're gonna do like a turnaround. So stay on the left lane. Just gonna curve to the right and then to the left.
Go this way?
Yeah, keep going.
You know where we at, baby?
And take a left at the other lane.
Okay. I know where I'm at, but I'm trying
Okay.
to see which way he wants me to go.
Oh yeah, just back the other direction. Take a left.
This way?
Mhm.
Alright. I usually come to you guys and go on the back road.
Oh, okay.
Because we live on the far west side, so I take the back road coming to you guys. What's that road called up there?
Back.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it attaches the views on.
Alright, so
Yeah, back, right? And then they
shut
figure
this
right
down
out,
right now and let us finish this test drive.
that one little.
And I'll get back with y'all later. Alright. But I got some major concerns about Volkswagen. See, got all my cars from y'all, but I ain't got no deals going on. I like this. I like this color. Still gonna tell y'all this. I like this brand. You know, this is not a sponsored deal or anything, but this is just what I like. I like the look of the cars. I like the customer atmosphere around here at Volkswagen. They don't hassle you. They don't come out here and charge at you. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you want to buy a car or whatever. But it's just my preference. I love this brand. I like the way the cars look. I like the way they handle. I like the interior. You know, you have to get like the SE Tech package, but still, I like this. I wouldn't change it for the world. So, still gonna check and see about my car, see if I got this damn gate lifted assist, cause that's some BS. I should have that too. I got the SC Tech package. That's crazy. All right, gonna go up in here and see what they're working with, see what they can do for us. Talk to my wife, and she'll let me know exactly what she wants. So right now, we're just gonna continue our little walk around. I'll come back to y'all in a few.